Hi guys, I'm Hasba with WTI and I wear makeup every day and I also do my nails pretty often, and that's why I always need to have cotton pads in hand. I think they're pretty useful, and these ones from Cliganic are premium cotton rounds for all your beauty needs. I love that they are natural cotton, so they're pretty resistant. I use them not only to remove my nail polish once I want to try out a new design or color, but also to remove my makeup, and it works wonderfully. You don't have to use more than two when removing your makeup or removing your nail polish. For me, one is just enough in case I want to remove some extra residues. I'll take another cotton pad, but it's not really needed. This one comes with 100 cotton rounds, and this one lasts for a long time. I've had this pack for over 3 months and I still have around 30. Since they are extra absorbent, gentle, and soft, you will love using this. They're also lint free, so you won't have any problem while using them. So if you want to have the perfect cotton rounds to remove your nail polish, do your skincare, remove your makeup, well, these ones are great. I recommend them, and that's my point of view.